How do the person sell? How? We can't. Some people will go to the cinema. You will tell them that Obasabianti is sold out so that they can watch another movie. And meanwhile, Obasabianti is not sold out. Do you understand? A lot of things that are going on. Guys, look at Showtime. You will give one person one show. How do the person make money?
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Tóyìn Abraham ó ti sunkún síta o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ bí àwọn èèyàn ṣe ń ba fíìmù rẹ̀ jẹ́ tí wọn ò jẹ́ kí fíìmù rẹ̀ kí ó tà o. Arábìnrin yìí ó fẹ̀hónú rẹ̀ hàn nínú fọ́nrán tí ẹ̀ ń wò yìí. Ó tún tà sí LIZZY ANJORIN nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa wàhálà ńlá ló ti ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí bí LIZZY ANJORIN náà ò ní pẹ́ tí ó sọ títí rẹ̀ padà. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ọ̀rọ̀ pòrò kágbọ̀n ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Tóyìn Abraham kí a gbọ́ bí gbogbo rẹ̀ ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀.
I produced a good film. I directed. I did a lot of content, a lot of publicity, so that people can come to the cinema. Imagine giving someone one show. You will give some people, even if you give them 2 or 3 shows, you will give someone 10 a.m. Laro. Taloti Gini 10 a.m. during festive period. Then the next show, Omaje 9 p.m. Talofe will film the 11 or 12. Please. The reason why I'm speaking out now, right now, a lot of films are in the cinema. And you can even see Mr. Nii. Mr. Nii is complaining. He is not lying. He is not